What's going on, everybody? It's a quick project here during coronavirus season. It's all those projects that you kind of set aside, not a big deal. Do that when you have time to do nothing else or for a rainy winter day. And today's one of those days here. Just want to show you how I hardwired in the pigtail for my Optima battery charger. You can see I've got the Optima gold top here and a little side post mount action going on. Nothing uncommon there, but here inside the 2000 Corvette C5, this is a fiberglass car with an aluminum frame. And if you've done very much electrical work inside of your car under the hood, you know that there are just not very many places that you can use for a ground. So I wanted to show you something really quick that I did using a simple tester. Quickly discovered that the bolts that are here for the hood latch adjustment are not grounded. They are bolted to aluminum framing. The hood adjuster itself is also, even though it's on a steel mount, even though this is steel mount, these are also bolted to aluminum frame and no ground. But here on the back of the firewall, if you can see this, this is actually, the firewall itself is ground. And so what I wanted to do is to wire my pigtail in, but my pigtail coming from the front bumper ends here at the fuse relay center. It's not long enough to go all the way that extra foot to the back wall. So easy peasy, show you what I did. I just simply created a ground. You can already see here, I took the liberty of just shaving this a little bit with a file so they get a good contact, electrical contact. Created a ground wire, ran it underneath here and brought it right over here to the fuse relay center. And again, this bolt is not a ground, but it is now. So I created a spot. This is going to be a constant source of ground so that anything that I wire into the car in the future, I'm going to have a positive ground, and it's very easy to take this nut loose and get everything in a central location. Obviously you're going to come here for power anyways, so here for the tail end of the pigtail relay, you can see this is the fuse and this is coming into the positive. Obviously this is going to be fused into the Corvette's electrical system, but for whatever reason this was not a negative ground, and so I had to create one. And that's a quick fix for you. You can see my green ground wire. I know that's probably more electrician than automobile. That'd normally be black, but it gives me the heads up this is a ground wire and not a power wire. So quick fix if you're looking to create a spot. This is a quick and easy way to do it. And so I just routed the rest of my pigtail. You can see it here coming out of the battery box. I ran it around underneath the weather stripping behind the overflow, routed it down underneath the hood struts and hinges so that when this is closed it's not going to pinch. So I ran it underneath the existing wire frame, and you can see it's actually going out the front there of the vehicle. So I chose here as the spot for, sorry about that, it's kind of dark in here today. I chose here as the spot to bring that out. And so I have the Veraram intake, and so this is a little bit of air duct right here in between the fog light and the air duct pickup there. And you can see that wire's just coming out. There's the pigtail, and you can see it's connected over here to the Optima charger. And it looks like it is doing its job. So we're looking at charging that 12 volt. What does it say? What does it say? It says the camera never focuses when you're trying to make a video. There it is, 13.4. It is charging. Kind of doing a little trickle charge action going on. 1 amp there. And so that's it. Hope this helps you if you've been looking for a place to find the ground underneath all this fiberglass and aluminum. Love the Corvette. Probably the best car built in the whole wide world. But this little quick fix will get you going. And with that, off to the next project. See you next time.